Good morning, students. In the previous video, we discussed about expansion and we solved the questions of exercise 4th A. That was based on the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. That was exercise 4A. Today in this video we are going to discuss about exercise 4B. So exercise 4B is based on a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. So what we are going to learn in this exercise, how can we expand a formula which is in the format of a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. So see here, what is the first formula a plus b whole cube? Equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. The same formula we can write a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Means in the previous formula, see here, a cube plus b cube, if we are going to find out a cube plus b cube, so this plus 3ab a plus b will go into the left hand side. So it will become a plus b whole cube minus 3ab a plus b. In the same way, the second formula is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b, or it can be written in such a way also, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. So in the same manner, another formula a cube plus 1 upon a cube, means if terms are in this format, so how will you write it? A plus 1 upon a whole cube minus 3 a plus 1 upon a, and a cube minus 1 upon a cube is equal to a minus 1 upon a whole cube plus 3 a minus 1 upon a. Now I am going to solve the question number 2, exercise 4b of the expansion. Chapter name is expansion. Okay. What is given? A square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 47 and a not equal to 0. This is given. And what we have to find out? We have to find out a plus 1 upon a and a cube plus 1 upon a cube. So these two expression we have to find out. As I told you, as I discussed in the previous video, in expansion chapter, first you must write what is given and what you have to find out. So in this question number 2, a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 47 is given and a plus 1 upon a we have to find out. So we should write such a formula which will contain a plus 1 upon a as well as a square plus 1 upon a square. So formula is very simple. A plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. So in this formula, if you see, a plus 1 upon a is also given and a square plus 1 upon a square is also present. So we have to find out the value of a plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 47. It is given, plus 2, it will become 49. And to find out the value of a plus 1 upon a is equal to plus minus 7. In the same manner, here some formulas are there. A plus b plus c whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3 into b plus c into c plus a into a plus b. And it can be written in the expanded form also in such a way. Or a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b plus c whole cube minus 3 into b plus c into c plus a plus b. Now I am going to solve the question number 7. If a plus 2b plus c is equal to 0, then so a cube plus 8b cube plus c cube is equal to 6abc. So how will you do these questions? You write a plus 2b plus c is equal to 0, it is given. So it can be written as a plus 2b is equal to minus c. Then a plus 2b whole cube is equal to minus c whole cube, then a cube plus 8b cube plus the formula of a plus b whole cube. I am applying this formula a plus b whole cube here over here. So a plus 2b whole cube means a cube, cube of 2b will be 8b cube, and 3 into a into b in bracket a plus b. So a plus b in place of b there is 2b, if you see here, is equal to minus c cube. What I am doing, we have to do cube both the sides of this equation. Then a cube 8b cube plus 6ab into minus c. A plus 2b is equal to minus c. You can see here a plus 2b is equal to minus c. So what we are doing here, in place of a plus 2b we are writing here minus c is equal to minus c cube. A cube plus 8b cube minus 6abc is equal to minus c cube. So a cube plus 8b cube plus c cube is equal to 6abc. So hence it's proved. Okay, hence proved. What we have to prove over here, a cube plus 8b cube plus c cube is equal to 6abc. Thank you.